Hi, welcome back to my channel guys and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, I hope you're liking this world cruise update videos every day which I'm putting. And if you are liking it, please hit that like button so I will understand that you are enjoying and I will keep making such kind of a video and informing you about cruise ship. So guys, in today's video, there is so much update I want to give you about the cruise ship. So I don't want to waste more time and what I say, let's start this video! Well guys, the first update which is coming from the Norwegian Cruise Line. Finally, there is a good news coming from the Norwegian Cruise Line. Now, Norwegian Jade on 25th of July 2021 become the first cruise ship in their fleet to restart cruising again. Finally, thank God. I was really wondering when Norwegian will be going to start their sailing again. So the date has come. The Norwegian has started cruising from Europe Greece with 100% guest capacity, which is the number the cruise ship should start from, the 100% capacity. Well guys, the second update which is coming from the MSC Cruises. MSC Cruises just bought a brand new ship. The ship name is Seashore. See that on the shore, Seashore. Sorry, I was just doing a tongue twister. Yes, the ship name is Seashore. Now, the capacity of a passenger on this ship is 5,877 and the crew member 1,648, which means this ship is a large ship. So now total number of ship in MSC Cruises is 19. This is the 19th ship in their company. If you want me to make a full video on this ship, please write it in the comment box. If I get enough comment, I will surely dedicate whole video on this ship. I will tell you everything about this ship. So please write it in a comment box. Well guys, the third update which is coming from the Celebrity Cruises. The ship name is Equinox. I hope I'm pronouncing right. Now the Celebrity Equinox becomes the third in the fleet to restart from USA. So how many cruise ships are in operation for Celebrity Cruises? Do you know the number and name? So watch this. Yes guys, these are the ships which is already in operation for Celebrity Cruises. You can go through the name. So total 7 ship is in operation for Celebrity Cruises. Well guys, the fourth and the final update which is coming from the Carnival Cruises. We all know how much world and even I am waiting for Mardi Gras. Yes, this is the ship which is going to start from 31st of July 2021 for Carnival. Now the new video has just come out. This is the video. There is a roller coaster on a cruise ship of a Carnival. It will be so amazing to be on this ship and taking a ride on this roller coaster. So well guys, this was the update which was coming from the cruise world. I will keep updating you about cruise ship and cruise ship life. So please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. So bye then. Bye from Cruising with Goldy.